to the ball that can go back this way.
Yeah. Yeah, but we're still watching. The fireworks are not done yet. Yeah, no, where are you right now? Okay, are you guys done? Are you guys all done? Okay, so you're done?
Burger fireworks.
Shit, this view is ass. Okay, are your friends like with you? Is everyone with you?
You can see it from here. This pole wasn't in the way.
Okay, are you guys all close to my car to go get food or something? I mean, like, 2 other people can squeeze in the back seat with Raggy and Meg. Like, 2 other people can. No, not 8 people, like 2 other people. Excluding you. Yeah, excluding you, because you can get front seat. Like, 2 other people in the back seat can.
How does the sound come before the fire? What's more cool about these things is the lights are I thought they were going to do some thing where it's like going to say Happy New Year's. Yeah, that's what I thought too. Don't find the fire? It might be the last one. That's the thing I'm scared of. What time?
Yeah, my fireworks almost done. I'll text you when I'm on the way.
Well, shit,
Like,
30 minutes.
I'm like 40 minutes, 30 minutes.
I want to see that.
Yeah, I'm like, it's so busy. There's gonna be traffic, so it's gonna, like, I'll text you when I'm in traffic.
I'm trying to see the Happy New Year's. I think they're just.
I'll try to be quick. Okay?
How do you think all these work?
If you guys want to get food, yeah, sure. I don't mind.
There's no Happy New Year. You can't even see. Okay, it doesn't matter.
Yeah.
That fire was nice.
Yeah, sure.
I know
You guys
it
can go
does.
and get food if you guys would like. If you guys are done.
There's actually no Happy New Year.
How is it on Facebook?
Nowadays, we're in dashes and everything.
Happy New Year's.
You can go in the front now.
What's up?
You know the American ones are probably like 10 times better than this.
The fireworks is still going. I'll let you know when I'm in my car. I'm about to go with Raggy and Meg. There's so much crowd I can't. Because my hands are like so full. My hands are okay, I'll put you. Wait, I can't. Wait, listen up.
Yo, get your camera out.
Yeah, I bet. I'll text you. Yeah, I promise. Okay, bye.
You know, you get stuff on your ears.
Yeah.
When you go in your ears.
Oh, you want them?
Get on your guys' toes?
All my toes are. No, big toe.
Wait, Alyssa, I'll text you in a bit. Okay, I gotta go. Okay, bye. Yo, Raggy, did you? I just texted my parents and said Happy New Year's to them.
Huh?
Yeah.
My mom calls.
Yo, my hands are actually frozen. God damn.
My face is frozen.
Yo, I think the winter and the snow fucked it up because it should be so much better. This is ass.
Well,
On Canada Day, when I went, it was so nice.
oh yeah, it's probably 10 times better in Canada.
Yeah, because Canada Day was warmer.
What the hell is that pink one? Oh, they gotta stop right now, bro.
I got your ass, by the way.
This guy recorded us.